Welcome to Elizabethton. When you're looking behind me at kind of our TV compound for tonight's game, Caleb Perney and Keith Roberts over there, they're going to be our drone operators for this live shot. Typically, I fly the drone along with Keith, but Caleb's come in to kind of help us along with this. I want to give you a little behind the scenes of how we do our drone shots during this game. So if you pan over to the drone here, this is a Inspire 2, what we call Sky 5. It's registered with the FAA. Made by DJI, has 4 different blades there, and it's got a camera on the front that's a gimbal that allows us to turn it and move it whatever way we want while we're in the air. So we're going to step back a little bit, and we're going to let Caleb and Keith, whenever you guys are ready, go ahead and get the Sky 5 up in the air. And so one of the things we have to do when we're flying this drone is make sure that we don't fly over people. That's rule number one. The other important thing is that we have to make sure that we're flying in an area that is airspace that is not being impeding upon helicopters or other types of air traffic and things like that. That's why we don't fly around the Tri-Cities Airport, for example, without prior authorization. It's a beautiful night for football, beautiful night to fly our drone as well. If we take weather graphics, what you're going to see is even into tomorrow or through tonight, I think it will be pretty good. But it's really tonight in where we see the nice weather. Tomorrow, things not as great. Some showers moving in, thanks to a little bit of some moisture coming out of the south. But Sunday looks pretty good, especially later on in the day. Tonight's going to be a crisp, cool night. Temperatures will be dropping down into the 40s and 30s as we head into the overnight hours with mainly clear skies across the air. That should allow for us to have a pretty good amount of that cooling tonight once the sun sets. Make sure you grab a coat if you're heading out to any of the football games across the area. So coming up a little bit later, we're going to try something new. We're going to try some 3D graphics out here on the football field, trying to give you a new view during our Friday Night Rivals football coverage. That's coming up during our main weather hit in just a little bit. Reporting live in Elizabethton, I'm meteorologist Ricky Matthews. Back to you.